Hi, I'm Matt Stafford. Now, not the Detroit Lions quarterback, but the senior living specialist from California. My wife and I own and operate a senior living referral business that does more business than any local company in the Central California area. We enjoy our faith and our family, of course, but also the financial freedom that we experience through this business. Being the founder of Stafford Senior Solutions and also the creator of the 7-step process, I have assisted hundreds of seniors and their families, as well as I've coached and taught students across the country through an online academy, as well as providing consultation to other professionals. Do you realize there's 47 million seniors in the United States right now? Every minute, 7 people are turning 65. The opportunity is enormous. And you have an opportunity to do what I've been doing, helping seniors. By you jumping into the game, you can help seniors and their families and also make a great living for you and your family. Now, there's several ways you can get involved in this industry. Number one is have somebody mentor you. Somebody already understands the process of senior living. Reach out to them and say, hey, would you mind if I shadow you? Would you mind if I come alongside and just kind of see what you do? Now, there's a couple of problems with this, I know. One, you may not know somebody in the industry. That creates a problem. But the second thing is you're going to find that people that are in this industry usually are tight with the information, meaning they're not willing to share a whole lot unless you want to pay them for it. So that creates a problem. The second way to get in the industry is to purchase a franchise. That's going to be anywhere from $95,000 and up. Most require a $55,000 down payment, and then you pay a monthly fee over the course of 5 years, and usually starts off about $800 and culminates about $3,000 per month. So that $95,000 will get closer to $150,000 when it's all said and done. The third way you can get involved is simply click the link below and see if this is right for you by signing up for my free webinar. And you'll get a complete overview of this industry and see what kind of money you can generate. Do you realize part-time people in this industry are making somewhere around $72,000 a year? The full-time people like myself are 6 figures and above. And I'll teach you everything there is to know about how to do this process, how to be successful in this industry. Just simply sign up for the free webinar. It won't cost you a dime to do it. That's the best way to get involved in this industry. If you like what you see and you want to sign up and get a part of the 5 modules and all the bonuses that come with it, go ahead and do that as well. Would love to have you as one of my students and to coach you and to see you become success in this industry. Also, go to my website, StaffordSeniorSolutions.com. Again, StaffordSeniorSolutions.com. That'll bring some validation who in the world I am. You'll be able to look at firsthand our business and what we do here in the Central Valley. I look forward to you signing up for the free webinar. I really am. I'm looking forward to coaching you and be a part of your life and your success. Also, if you would, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel where you'll have access to a lot of videos pertaining to senior living, everything there is to know about the business. You'll see virtual tours, you'll see testimonies, you'll see teachings, etc. So like and subscribe, and I look forward to being your coach, and I look forward to your success.